Hey everyone, are you looking to connect Discord and Spotify together? If yes, you're in the right place, as we'll quickly show you how to do so on both desktop and mobile. And stay until the end because we'll show you a great trick to start a listening party with your friends on Discord. Let's get started. On the desktop, log in on your Discord account and look for the gear-shaped user settings button. Navigate to the Connections tab and spot the Spotify button. It's typically found within the Connect Your Accounts box. You will need to log into your Spotify account to complete the linking process. Now, if you want to share your Spotify activity with others, simply toggle on the Display Spotify option. This way, your friends and fellow Discord users will be able to see when you're listening to Spotify and even know what you're enjoying. Let's switch gears to mobile. Open the Discord app and swipe in from the left to reveal all the tabs at the bottom. Tap on the User Settings button and go to the Connections tab represented by a phone icon. Tap the Add button located at the top right of the Connections screen and look for the Spotify option. Like on the desktop, proceed to log into your Spotify account to establish the connection. That's it. And to thank you for staying with us until the end, here is a special trick you'll want to try immediately. You can host desktop listening parties with the Listen Along feature of Spotify. To start it, simply play a song on Spotify and go back to Discord. Now, visit a chat and click this green play button to open a menu. Click on the Invite button, and you're now starting a listening party. Thank you for watching. And if you want more videos about Spotify, we've made a full tutorial playlist to help you get the most out of it.